Launch your music globally with expert distribution. This video provides a complete guide for independent artists on releasing music, collecting royalties, and maximizing reach with the Black Turn. Distributors act as the essential bridge between your music and streaming platforms. Since artists cannot upload directly to services like Spotify, distributors deliver your audio and metadata while collecting your royalties. The Black Turn helps you reach over 150 global and regional platforms. This includes major global services, dedicated platforms for India, and social media networks for your short-form content. In India, caller tunes generate massive revenue. This revenue stream is available across major carriers and often provides more consistent income than standard music streaming. Maximize your income by tapping into multiple distinct revenue streams. We help you collect streaming royalties, earnings from caller tune activations, and YouTube content ID monetization. When choosing a distribution plan, consider that paid lifetime models offer superior long-term value, allowing you to keep nearly all your royalties with priority support and fewer risks. To find the right distributor, evaluate them on these 6 critical factors: royalty percentages, caller tune support, payment models, payout speed, human customer support, and contract flexibility. The Black Turn is built specifically for Indian independent artists, offering high royalty payouts, comprehensive caller tune support, dedicated human assistance, and lifetime distribution options. Before you submit your music, ensure you have these 3 elements ready: high-quality WAV audio files, 3000 by 3000 pixel cover art, and accurate metadata for titles and credits. Avoid common pitfalls like using multiple distributors for one track or uploading too late. We recommend submitting at least 10 days in advance to secure the best promotional placement. Start your global music journey today. Let's launch your music, reach new listeners, and maximize your earnings by partnering with the Black Turn.